Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert gradient color to shape in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert gradient color to shape. Go to the insert menu, then click the shapes drop down menu and we can see here many shapes. We choose any shape to insert. Now I select the cube shape, then draw this shape in this page. Now we want to make this shape fill color gradient. Click the shape and go to the shape format menu, then click the shape fill drop down menu and we can see here many colors option. We find and select the gradient section, then go to more gradients. Now we can see here open a window, then we choose the gradient stops and select any color. Double click on the gradient spots and select color. Then click OK. Now we can see we insert gradient color to shape very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.